one of the things that 80/20 gives you is it says since 1% of the customers want to give you 50% of the money, since money is burning a hole in their pocket, you have to give them an opportunity. And I call this the principle of the $2,700 espresso machine. And 80/20 says that for every 1,000 people who buy a, let's go pounds, a 5-pound latte, for every 1,000 people who do that, one will spend $2,700 on something. And if you have a stainless steel gleaming espresso machine over in the corner with a little halogen light shining on it, 1 out of 1,000 people will buy it. And then you know what they'll do the next day? They'll open the box, they'll put it on the counter, and they'll come back to Starbucks and buy another latte because they have the unscratchable itch. And I call that the hyper-responsive customer. You can have a business with 1,000 customers, but if you scratch the unscratchable itch of the top 10 customers, you'll make more money than you will dealing with the other 990. This may be completely necessary just to get a coffee shop to work, just to stay open. You probably have to do this. So I'm gonna wrap up here. I'm just gonna tell you something you can do here. If you go to, I have a special offer. So on Amazon, I think for 15 or 20 pounds, I don't know the exact amount, you can go buy the book 80/20 Sales and Marketing on Amazon. But if you go to perrymarshall.com/80/20, you can get it for free plus $14 US shipping, and you get extra videos and bonuses and little cheat sheets included with it that you don't get when you buy the regular book just from Amazon. And so if you're in any kind of sales or marketing or business profession, this book will change your life, and will show you how to apply it to your time, to your resources, to employees, to hiring, firing, Facebook traffic, Google traffic, all that kind of stuff. So that's all I got. Let's open it up for questions, and I really appreciate being able to speak at King's College today. Thank you.